Hey Tech fam, GadInsider here with huge news. WhatsApp's about to drop a document scanning feature that can make CamScanner obsolete. Scan, convert, and share docs right in your chats. Let's break it down. Imagine scanning a contract or receipt with WhatsApp's camera, turning it into PDF, and sending it in seconds, all without extra apps. Sound awesome? Stick around to see how it works. On June 17, 2025, it was reported that WhatsApp's cooking up a document scanning feature for Android, already live for iOS users earlier this year. It's in the latest beta via the Google Play beta program, and it's set to change how we handle docs on the go. Here's the deal. In the WhatsApp file sharing menu, you'll see a new scan document option. Tap it and your phone's camera kicks in with two modes, manual and automatic. Manual lets you frame the shot perfectly, while automatic detects document edges and snaps the picture for you, making it super quick. Once you capture the image, WhatsApp turns it into a PDF automatically, ready to share in chats or groups. No third-party apps needed. It all happens on device using native Android APIs, so your files stay private until you hit send. This feature is deep in development and a full rollout is expected soon, although it's not public yet. Why is this a game changer? WhatsApp's making life easier by cutting out the need for apps like CamScanner. Whether you're sending a quick receipt or a work contract, this feature saves time and keeps everything in one app. Plus, on-device processing means your data's secure. It's a win for students, professionals, and anyone who hates app clutter. Hyped for WhatsApp Scanner? Drop a comment. What docs would you scan with this? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech updates.